Hello, my name is Devyn Lisi, and I have the privilege of being the 2025 to 2026 Chair-elect of the Young Lawyers Division of the Allegheny County Bar Association. In a few short months, I will be the next chair of this fantastic division. I would like to share with all of you my plans and vision for the next year of the YLD. When I think of the YLD, the very first word that comes to mind is connection. That was what I was seeking when I first joined the YLD, and that has largely been my experience. However, I know that not all of our members have experienced connection in the same ways. It is my mission to foster connection for young lawyers in Allegheny County during my chair year. But what does connection look like? Connection is not the same for every member of the YLD. I recognize that and want to respect that. While some members are looking to be leaders of the YLD, some are just seeking a place to meet friends. Some are looking for new job opportunities, while others are looking for new ways to grow their own practice. The YLD should be the place where all young lawyers in Allegheny County feel connected. Here are my plans for the YLD for 2026 to 2027. First, I will work with our Education Committee on a CLE series where we connect the practice of law to other professions or other important topics. I plan to invite speakers outside of our profession to share how the legal field overlaps with medicine, finance, art, and more. I will also work with our Member Services Committee to better connect members with one another through regular happy hours, where there is no agenda, just friends and colleagues meeting to connect over drinks. The Young Lawyers Division is a well-developed and popular division of the ACBA. However, for so many young lawyers who are aging out of our division, I have heard concerns about where to go next. In order to better bridge that gap, I plan to connect our division with the many other committees, sections, and divisions that the ACBA has to offer. I will work with our diversity and member services committees to partner with other sections and committees of the ACBA at large to introduce young lawyers with other ways to connect to the ACBA. Our Law Student Committee has grown wings over the past 2 years. With nearly 1,000 law student members, we must focus on fostering connections with law students. I will continue the great efforts that have already been put forth with the Law Student Committee and continue programs and events like speed networking, the Law Student Reception, and the many on-campus happy hours and events in order to continue connecting law students with the YLD and beyond. The Public Services Committee has fostered connection to our community through dozens of projects, from Wills for Heroes to the Children's Gift Drive to the Military and Veterans Project. As chair of the YLD, I will continue to support and encourage these great programs and leave room for new projects from the Public Services Committee as needs become known in our community. Lastly, our Communications Committee is the hub for connection in our division. As chair, I will support the Communications Committee to continue their hard work and efforts with social media and continue to keep the sidebar interesting yet informative. I also plan to emphasize our membership through regular Lauds and Laurels posts, as well as a new feature, Lawyers Outside the Law, where we will feature all of the wonderful things our membership is doing outside of their regular jobs. The next year is going to feature many ways to connect. I am asking that each of you find ways over the next year to better connect yourself, whether that be to your community, to your peers, or to your career. There will be plenty of opportunities for connection. Take those opportunities as they arise and join me in connecting. Thank you.